everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to reset Windows security in Windows 10 to fix common issues and restore it to its default state. Now let's get started. Step 1, click on the search box at the bottom left of your screen, type Windows security and locate it in the search results. This helps you quickly find the built-in security app that protects your system. Step 2, right-click on Windows Security and click on App Settings. The App Settings section allows you to manage, repair, or reset the application when it's not working properly. Step 3, in the App Settings window, scroll down to the Reset section, click on Reset, and then click Reset again to confirm. This will restore Windows security to its default settings and resolve most related problems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.